All right, this quick review, we're going to be talking about the 180-degree rule, and that is a principle of cinematography that is going to orient the viewer to the action that is taking place on the screen. Here we have a conversation taking place between two people, Emily on the left and Maddie on the right, and they are facing Emily from the left to the right, Maddie from the right to the left. We have established that through this shot and have created what is called the line of action, which you can imagine that they were straddling a fence. That is the line of action. What that means is the camera cannot cross that line at any point in the scene unless we do something to change the line of action. So say one of the characters were to walk to another location, or if another character were to come in, they were to turn and look at that person. That could then change the line of action. But unless that happens, we need to keep the camera on one side of that line. So as you see, Emily is looking from left to right. If we were to get a single shot of her, we could move the camera anywhere on that side of the line, but she will still be looking from left to right, as we see here. That means that if we are still staying on that side of the line, whenever we see Maddie, she's going to be looking where? She's going to be looking at Emily, because Maddie will be looking from the right to the left. And so that is going to make it look very much like what? Like they are talking to each other. As you can see here, Emily looking left to right, Maddie looking right to left. That means they're looking at each other and they can have a conversation. You know, say we were to get creative and think, hey, let me move to the other side of the line and grab a shot. If we do that, what's going to happen? Let's assume that we get the shot correctly of Emily. If we move to the other side to get the shot of Maddie, we are going to have this problem. Now Maddie is on the left side of the screen looking to the right. Emily is on the left side of the screen looking to the right. And that is going to make it look like they are looking the same direction. And it is very difficult to have a conversation when you're looking the same direction. Now, if we go back and we go back to our establishing shot here, the wide shot, we still have our line of action. We can move the camera wherever we want to. We can move the camera over Maddie's shoulder and get a really cool shot of Emily. This is a little further away than the first time we did it, but if you will notice that even though the camera has moved, Emily is still facing left to right. So this is going to work according to the 180-degree rule. Same thing, if we moved over to Emily's shoulder and got the shot of Maddie, then we're still following the 180-degree rule. So any of these shots are going to be okay as long as the character, once they are established in the direction that they are looking, as long as they stay that way, we're following the 180-degree rule. Hopefully this has been helpful.